I got my first order already. We got $16.50, one order, 3 miles on Spark. So let's go ahead and get this popping, man. It's gonna be a good day today. I'm feeling real good, energized. I got a lot of good, positive energy going today. So I want to make the most of it, and I want to make some money. So I'm out early. The time right now is 9:15, and I need to get to Walmart right now because my pickup time is right now 9:15. I got me a little cranberry, apple, raspberry. You know, I needed something to keep me hydrated this morning because, you know, I got the energy, but I don't want to drink a Red Bull today. I'm trying to stop drinking so many Red Bulls, so I figured I'm going to get me a Minute Maid. You know, I got me an orange juice, and I got me a cranberry apple raspberry. So we're going to go ahead and start our day off with this right here. And we're going to go ahead and get up to Walmart and get this first order picked up. Man, it took me about at least 5 or 6 months to finally get signed up for Walmart Spark. I've been on the waiting list, seems like forever. And I mean, just off these couple of days of me doing it, I don't know if it's because it's the holiday season and there's more ordering, but I'm pretty sure that's the reason I was able to get in to the Spark driver program. But man, these payouts on these orders and just the whole pickup drop-off experience with Spark is so much better than Doordash and Uber and Grubhub because, like, take this order right now. I'm on first order of the day. I'm getting $16.50 to go 3 miles. I got there. The order was ready. Took them only 2 minutes to bring it out. And it took me 5 minutes to drive it 3 miles away. Like, let's go. If I do that all day long, I'm making great money. I won't do no DoorDash. So, yeah. I'm enjoying this right now. We're going to do some Spark all day long. We're going to knock these promotions out and run it up. Pick up some donuts. I got this one, Allison. Windy as hell out there today, man. Fall time. Woo-wee! All right, let's go ahead and get this donut order dropped off. We got $13 for 8 miles. So that's a nice little miles to money ratio for a donut order. Because usually in the morning time, these donut orders are really, really bad. I mean, I'll see 5 no-tip donut orders before I see one with a tip, and it still won't even be 2 to 1 miles to money ratio. So for me to get a $13 offer coming from the donut spot, that's a good offer. We're gonna go ahead and get this one done, order number 2, and we're gonna keep going with Spark. I'm just waiting on my next order to come, but I'm keeping the wheels rolling in the meantime because Spark is priority today. They pay the most, and the orders are easier. So let's go ahead and get this one done. Time to drop off some morning donuts. $13 for 8 miles. Do that all day long. I got my first 2 orders done of the day. $16.50 and $13. That's $29, and I still got 15 minutes left in this hour. What's this, $7.50 for 10 miles? Nah, I ain't taking that chance. I haven't got my next Spark order yet. I can get that done in 15 minutes. 1 to 1 miles to money ratio.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take it because it's going to one customer, so I'm gonna take it. To all my customers out there who like to order, you know, shop and delivers through DoorDash, nothing wrong with that. Make sure you tip your driver good, because I'm gonna tell you right now, this shop and deliver I just had, it had about 10 items on there. 5 of them was easy to find, you know, the chips, the cookies, blah, blah, blah. But then when it came to the laundry detergent and other stuff, the paper towels and the paper plates, they didn't have the right one, and I'm not spending more than 30 seconds looking for it. So I suggest, you know, they usually show more of the tip on the shop and delivers. So if you are a customer and you do use the shop and deliver part of DoorDash, you order items and you have them delivered, keep that in mind, because I'm not getting all your items if it ain't no good tip on there, and I'm gonna get paid the same. Because it's about the time. For me, it's not about how many items I do. See, that's what you gotta realize. When you do it on Instacart, it matters how much you get paid by how many items you're able to get. But on DoorDash, none of that matters. If you order 10 items through DoorDash, I only have to get 1 of them items to get that full pay. So keep that in mind. If you want to get those 10 items, I advise you to tip good, because if not, you might get 3 items. I'm just here to tell you, I'm going to keep it 100. I'm not going to lie, because I got to make my money. I'm not really worried about if you get all these items or not. I'm worried about, can I get this done in a reasonable amount of time? Time and time again, it never fails. You know, you do one order on DoorDash, and then as soon as you get done with it, right? I mean, the moment you get done with it, they send you another one, and it's straight trash can. So I declined 3 trash can orders, and then I get sent this. $18, Jersey Mike's, 9 items, 9 miles. Catering bag required. Be selective. Be selective, because DoorDash play games. I'm only taking $10 plus orders on DoorDash, I'm telling you. Or unless it's like 1 mile or less than a mile and I know the order gonna be ready somewhere, I'm only taking $10 orders. Because look, right after that, I get this on Spark. $23.50 for 5 miles. 2 orders. I'm finna get both of those done within the hour. Both of those orders done within the hour and still have time to get 1 more done. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Let's get this. So, had a little hiccup with that catering order. Ended up having to cancel that order. And the funny thing happened with this order. Something that never happened before. So, check this out. I called support and I was on hold for about 7 minutes before anybody answered. So, I hung up. And I went in the help section of the DoorDash app. And what did I do? I hit the message button so I can message support because they wasn't answering. So when I started messaging them, I got somebody on the phone. And I got an agent on the chat at the same time. And I let them both know simultaneously what was going on because I had been waiting for so long. So what ended up happening is I got base pay from chat and I got base pay. I got half pay from chat and I got half pay from phone support. How that happened, I do not know, but I basically got full pay for that catering order after waiting 20 minutes for it. That works for me. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I messaged them. I wasn't trying to get full pay for that order. I was trying to just get my half pay, but I ended up getting full pay. But I wouldn't recommend that because, you know, you don't want to get in trouble for getting, you know, trying to game the system. But this one situation, hey, it worked for me. I got full pay. And now I'm on to my next delivery. I got this Walmart Spark order to drop off. That's going to be $23 for 5 miles. Let's get it. Next order of the day, we got $16 for 10 miles at Buffalo Wild Wings. Really far distance on this one. Not perfect miles to money ratio. But I got a Spark order right after that. $20.50 for 3 miles. And it's not going to be ready till 12:45. So we're going to go ahead and get this long distance Walmart delivery done, or this long distance DoorDash delivery done, and then we'll be right back on time to go pick up our Walmart Sparkle. It's real funny how once you start using other apps, DoorDash get hip. You ever notice when you call support, right? It be like, please note that you are giving us express consent to monitor and record you. I want you to know that's not only for that customer support call. When they say you're giving us express consent to monitor and record you, DoorDash is listening to you through your cell phone. If you don't believe me, that's on you. Google listen to you through your cell phone. Facebook listen to you through your cell phone. If you don't believe that DoorDash is listening to you through your cell phone, that's on you. But you already gave them consent to do that. Now, how they use the information, that's neither here nor there. But they listening. You better believe it. Ever since I started Spark, DoorDash been sending me the best offers because they want me back. I'm not going back. I'm only doing catering orders. If it's not $10, $50, $12 plus for a couple miles, I don't want it. I want them Cindy's. I want them Loppers. I'm not playing. They just sent me an order. It's a shop and deliver. $15.25. It says 6 miles, but they called me over there. So really, the 5 miles is me getting over there. It's a 1 mile order for $15. A shop and deliver and a pickup. And the pickup is a drive-through pickup, so I ain't even gotta get out the car. All day. And I still got time to do this before my Walmart Spark order. Let's get it. Don't let them apps control you. DoorDash is my bitch today. I'm not taking no trash. Stop playing with me. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Just got my last order dropped off. It was a Noodles and Company order, $11.25 for like 8 miles going down the highway. But it put me right in position for my next order. My next order was a grocery order. So, you know, dash along the way your way. Use multi-app and use different apps to bring you back to the location you want to be at. Just got my next offer. It's going to be $10 going down the highway 7 miles, taking me towards my house. We're going to end it with this one. And I'm going to get all my calculations and see how we did for this 6 hours. Alrighty, got that Panda Express dropped off. Now let's see how we did. Not too bad. We ended up doing $99 on DoorDash. Go ahead, round it up to $100. And I also did $71 with Spark. So that's $170. I mean, honestly, that's pretty darn good for the morning time on a Sunday. And I mean, before, you know, downloading Spark, I couldn't even hope or imagine making 170 in the morning time in 6 hours. Like, I'm cool with that right there. So if you go ahead and take $171 and you divide that by 6 hours, that gives you $28.50 per hour in the morning time. That's without dinner shift.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if you enjoying this video, make sure you give me a like and a subscribe, and let me know down below, what apps are you using to maximize? Because before, it was DoorDash, Grubhub, and Uber for me, but now that I got Spark, things done changed up a whole lot. Spark is number 1, DoorDash is number 2, and I'd have to say Uber Eats is a strong 3 because Grubhub is kind of hit or miss. So I'll catch you in the next one, and thanks for watching.